Important derivation for chapter 8 electromagnetic waves. Displacement current ID is equal to epsilon naught times d phi upon dt, where phi is the electric flux. And second derivation is verification for the need of displacement current. Now come to the chapter 9. The important derivations are, first one is radius of curvature is equal to 2 times the focal length in case of mirror. And second derivation is mirror formula, that is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. And in the same derivation, you will derive the magnification of the mirror is equal to m is equal to v by u. And third and most important derivation of this chapter is refraction at a spherical surface, that is n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 upon r, where n2 and n1 are the refractive indices, v is the image distance, u is the object distance, and r is the radius of curvature of the spherical surface. And second most important derivation of this chapter is Lense-Maker formula, that is 1 by f is equal to n2 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. And third most important derivation of this chapter is thin lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and powerless p is equal to 1 by f, and the combination of lenses, thin lenses in contact, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 and so on, or same we can say that p is equal to p1 plus p2, or magnification m is equal to m1 into m2. And very important derivation of this chapter is refraction through prism. In this case, you have to find the value of angle of minimum deviation, that is equal to d minimum is equal to n21 minus 1 into a. And compound microscope, in the case of compound microscope, you have to find the magnification at near point and at infinity. And the last important derivation of this chapter is magnifying power of telescope, that is m is equal to FO upon FE, where FO is the focal length of the objective and FE is the focal length of the eyepiece.